My name is Katherine Mistretta. I am an orthopedic surgeon subspecializing in hip and knee replacement here at Dartmouth Health. I think people generally appreciate the fact that I talk to them as people and take the extra time to get to know them and understand what their goals are before and after surgery. I think expectations are important, and if you're doing something as impactful as having a hip or a knee replaced, knowing what to expect before, during, and after the surgical process is really important. And I can't say how many times people have said, wow, no one told me about that part of it before, or no one showed me my x-ray before. Or I like to give people a picture of their x-rays immediately after surgery, just so they know, what we were so busy doing for a couple hours the day before. And I think that is something that makes people feel really well cared for. And I just really want everyone to feel that way.